Hey guys, welcome back. So this video that I'm currently working on, which is the part 2 of the camper shell, it's been about 2 weeks, maybe, well, honestly, probably been about a month now since I've last worked on it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know when I put that video out. It's been a little bit though. I haven't done anything else with it. I did manage to get the plexiglass that I needed for the rear window, door, whatever it is. But the reason why I'm making this clip, is because the Chevy that I've been working on since I was 17 years old, it has been sitting up at my grandpa's for probably about 2 years now. Well, I got it back up to my house, and so far, essentially I've started working on it. I started tearing it apart. When I say I started, I mean I got a little bit done. I didn't get a whole lot. The only thing I really did was take off the front bumper, the front grille, and the brush guard, and pretty much the whole front part, because I'll show you in a minute, but the radiator support's got to come out because there is some hidden damage from when I hit the deer so many years ago. Pretty much where one of the body mount is, it's got a 3-inch body lift on it, and I want to take that body lift off. I took it off the bed, so the bed's sitting at stock height right on the frame. However, I did not take it off the cab and the front clip because of that body mount. When they refabricated the body mount, they did not fix the radiator support. So that body mount is sitting at an angle, and where it meets on the radiator support, it's all rusted out and corroded out. So I got to remove the radiator support in order to actually, take the body mounts off so it can sit level. I got to replace that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the truck, and so far what I'm doing to it. I have to apologize for the mess. I've been working on it for like the last 2 hours trying to remove the dash, which I'm actually in the garage, and I'll go ahead and show you that now. All right, everybody, so here's the dash. I just got it out probably, say give or take, I don't know, probably like 20 minutes ago. But I've taken it out because not only is it cracked and broken, but as you can tell, there is dirt and or just mouse residue and stuff from where it's been sitting. I think that's mouse pee, honestly. But there's just there's mouse poop in there and stuff, and the dash just needed replaced, so I tore it out. And whenever I ordered a new one, I got some things I want to do custom to the new one, so that way when I put it all back together, I can do what I needed to do. But here's, and as you can tell, there's the grill and or what am I saying? The brush guard. That's the grill, the front bumper that I put together several years ago, and that piece that I half-ass spray painted just to kind of match the color. But those are some of the dash pieces, the gauges. Here's the front seat. I'm gonna have to replace that too. My cat got, for one, sitting on it. But it pretty much had mouse poop all over the seats here from where it had been sitting, so I need to go and replace that. I'm guessing they had been peeing on it as well with my other cat. But here's the Chevy, guys. This is the inside. I'm in the process of trying to clean it up. I've got, again, mouse residue all over the place. And if you remember that one video several years ago, I believe it was in excuse me, I believe it was in 2022, I tore that out. But like I said, mice have been in it since then. I haven't seen any wire damage, so that's good. But like I said, I do need to clean it up. a little bit. I got mothballs in here. It smells terribly of mothballs. So what I decided with this is, originally I was going to keep the same color interior that was on it, which was a light gray. I am no longer going to do that. Instead, I'm going to do a black, just to kind of, for one, it'll go together with the way the hood is and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm going to do it piece by piece, clean every part up that I can, and eventually I'm going to probably, I don't know yet. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. I'm definitely going to record everything, but I'm probably going to focus on one panel area at a time. So like with the door panel, you know, focus on redoing this side, and then focus on redoing the other one, and you know, so on and so forth with each individual part. That way I'm not trying to tear it all together and put it all back together at once. I mean, it's just common sense, really. Alright guys, so essentially that's the front end. I've got it torn apart, like I said, where the bumper is, everything's taken off. This is what I was talking about with the body mount. So as you can tell there, well, you can see it right there, there's a big gaping hole right there. But essentially what happened, the deer ran across the road, I hit it, his antler got underneath the wheel well, busted the brake line, and you know, messed up this body mount that was right here, and they had to refabricate it. But like I said, it wasn't done all the way because there's a hole in it, and if I want to take the body mount off so it will sit flat, then I gotta replace the radiator support. Obviously this is the hood. I got it painted black. It's a cow hood, and I went ahead and put this on here as well. That will be a little loose, I don't know, but I mean, just same old truck it's always been. The engine bay is in remotely good condition. When I went and got the truck, there was mouse nesting all right there. There was some in the hood there. Also, can't tell it's an actual cow induction hood. It's not not like those fake ones with the fake scoop on it. But you know, it's in good shape still, so I'm not really complaining about it. I don't know. The truck's in really good shape. It starts up just fine, and I'm ready to start getting this project after, see, I'm 25, 26 now, so after 8 or 9 years, I'm able to finally start working on it. But if you guys enjoyed the video, you know, hit that like button, subscribe, show some support, and you know, you'll be along for the ride. And other than that, hope you guys enjoy.